Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the lush green world of avocado farms to uncover the secrets behind the cultivation and harvesting of this remarkable fruit. Let's unwind and immerse ourselves in the serene ambiance of an avocado orchard, where the journey of this nutrient-packed fruit begins. Avocados, with their creamy texture and rich flavor, have become a staple in many households around the world. But have you ever wondered where these delicious fruits come from and how they are cultivated? The journey of an avocado from farm to table is fascinating and involves meticulous care and attention to detail. The most popular avocado variety grown in Mexico is the Hass avocado. This cultivar is highly resilient, boasting resistance to pests and diseases, making it easier to cultivate and care for. The flesh of the Hass avocado is typically creamy yellow with a soft, buttery texture, offering a deliciously sweet and rich flavor profile. When selecting a Hass avocado sapling, farmers look for specimens with a well-developed root ball to ensure proper root development. The sapling should have deep green leaves and be grown for 9 to 12 months to ensure its maturity and readiness for planting. Planting involves mixing fertilizer into the soil to promote vigorous growth. The sapling is then secured with a long wooden stake angled at 45 degrees to prevent it from tipping over or bending due to wind and storms. Immediate watering after planting is crucial to help the young trees establish themselves. Avocado farming can be seen on a large scale with orchards capable of holding millions of trees. These saplings take time to grow, typically about 8 months to mature, and even longer before they start bearing fruit. Farmers need to monitor the trees closely, checking for pests and diseases, and taking timely actions to ensure the health of the avocado trees. Effective control measures, such as pesticide spraying or organic control methods, are utilized to maintain tree health. The harvesting process of avocados is as critical as their cultivation. Signs that avocados are ready for harvesting include their shape, which transitions from light green to dark green or black depending on the variety. Ripe avocados usually yield slightly to pressure and bounce back upon gentle pressing. Harvesting typically occurs from summer to fall. Farmers use tools like long-handled pruning shears or clippers to carefully cut the avocados from the trees. A skilled farmer can harvest a large quantity of avocados from each tree, contributing significantly to the overall yield of the orchard. Once harvested, avocados are transported to processing factories where they undergo several stages before reaching consumers. The first step involves sorting and grading the avocados based on size, color, and ripeness. This ensures that only the highest quality fruits make it to the market. After sorting, the avocados are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticide residues. They are then inspected for any defects. Those that pass the inspection move on to the packing stage. Here, the avocados are packed into boxes designed to protect them during transportation. In some cases, avocados are processed further to create products such as guacamole, avocado oil, and other avocado-based foods. These products undergo additional processing steps, including peeling, pitting, mashing, and packaging, all while maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and quality control. In recent years, the global demand for avocados has surged, increasing from 1.9 million tons in 2000 to over 3.5 million tons in 2020. This rise in demand has driven the development of the avocado farming industry, boosting its economic value significantly. 18 countries with suitable climates for avocado cultivation have seen substantial economic benefits from this burgeoning industry. With the increasing popularity of avocados worldwide, farmers continue to innovate and improve their cultivation techniques. Sustainable farming practices are becoming more prevalent, ensuring that avocado farming can continue to thrive without compromising the environment. Techniques such as organic farming, integrated pest management, and water conservation are being adopted to make avocado farming more sustainable. The journey of an avocado from farm to table is a testament to the dedication and hard work of farmers who cultivate and care for avocado orchards. By understanding the intricate process of growing and harvesting avocados, we can better appreciate the effort that goes into bringing this nutritious fruit to our tables. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of avocado farming. We hope you enjoyed learning about the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of avocados. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of farming and agriculture. Your support helps us continue to bring you quality content. Stay tuned for more. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of onion farming. From planting the seeds to exporting the final product, onions are a staple ingredient in many cuisines around the world, and their journey from the field to your table is a remarkable process that combines traditional farming practices with modern technology. The onion farming process begins with planting the seeds or seedlings. Onions can be grown from seeds, sets, or transplants. Each method has its advantages, but transplants are often preferred by large-scale farmers due to their reliability and shorter growing season. The machine you are seeing on the screen is an onion transplanter. This advanced piece of machinery is designed to plant thousands of seedlings every hour, making the process efficient and reducing the labor required. The transplanter places the seedlings at the perfect depth and spacing to ensure optimal growth conditions. This mechanization helps farmers manage large fields more effectively and ensures a uniform crop. Onions require well-drained, fertile soil with plenty of sunlight. Farmers must carefully manage irrigation to provide enough water without causing the soil to become waterlogged. During the growing season, which lasts about 3 months, the onions develop their distinctive bulbs. Proper fertilization is crucial at this stage to ensure the onions receive the necessary nutrients. Weed control is another important aspect of onion farming. Weeds can compete with onions for water, nutrients, and sunlight. Farmers use a combination of manual weeding and herbicides to keep the fields clean. Pest control is also essential, as onions are susceptible to various pests and diseases. Integrated pest management strategies, which include the use of natural predators and targeted pesticides, help protect the crop while minimizing environmental impact. The time from planting onions to harvesting them lasts about 3 months. When most of the onion stalks are old and falling off, it indicates that the bulbs are mature and ready for harvest. This is the best time to ensure that the onions have reached their full size and flavor potential. To harvest onions, farmers first use a machine to gently pull the bulbs out of the ground. This machine, known as an onion harvester, carefully lifts the onions without damaging them. The harvested onions are then laid out in rows to cure. Curing is a critical step that allows the onions to dry, which enhances their shelf life and flavor. During this period, the onions are left in the field or transferred to a well-ventilated storage area. Once the onions are adequately cured, they are transported to a processing facility. The journey from the field to the factory is streamlined by modern agricultural machinery. Trucks equipped with conveyors pick up the onions lying on the ground and transfer them efficiently. At the factory, the onions undergo several processing steps. First, they are partially peeled. This involves removing the outer layers, which may be dirty or damaged. Modern machines handle this task swiftly and efficiently, ensuring that the onions are clean and ready for further processing. After peeling, the onions are sorted based on size and quality. Advanced sorting machines use sensors to categorize the onions, ensuring uniformity in the final product. After processing, the onions are packaged for distribution. They are placed in large bags or boxes, ready to be shipped to various destinations. The packaging process is mostly automated, requiring minimal manual labor. This efficiency is crucial for handling large volumes and maintaining product quality. The packaged onions are then loaded onto trucks and transported to distribution centers. From here, they may be sent to local markets, grocery stores, or export facilities. Exporting onions involves additional steps to comply with international regulations and standards. Onions destined for export are often subjected to further inspections and certifications to ensure they meet the quality and safety requirements of the importing countries. The presence of modern agricultural machines makes harvesting agricultural products very quick and easy. Innovations in farming technology have revolutionized the way onions are grown, harvested, processed, and distributed. From GPS-guided tractors that optimize planting patterns to automated sorting machines that ensure consistency, technology plays a pivotal role at every stage of the onion production process. As the global demand for onions continues to rise, farmers are continually seeking ways to increase efficiency and sustainability. Precision agriculture, which uses data and technology to make informed decisions, is becoming increasingly popular. This approach allows farmers to optimize water usage, reduce chemical inputs, and improve overall crop management. Moreover, advancements in genetic research are leading to the development of onion varieties that are more resistant to pests and diseases, have longer shelf lives, and offer better nutritional value. These innovations promise to enhance the productivity and profitability of onion farming while reducing its environmental footprint. The journey of an onion from seed to export is a testament to the hard work and ingenuity of farmers and the power of modern technology. If you were to own modern farming machines like this, would you be willing to give up your current job to become a farmer? The world of agriculture offers endless opportunities for those who are passionate about growing food and embracing innovation. How do you feel about this farmer's onion growing and harvesting process? Let us know what you think in the comments section of this video. Goodbye, and see you in the next video. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the largest Chinese cabbage farm in China, where we take you on a journey from seed to table. Join us as we dive into the intricate details of this fascinating farming practice. Chinese cabbage, or Napa cabbage, is a staple in Asian dishes, loved for its crisp texture and mild flavor. Its journey begins with farmers selecting high-quality seeds, which are sown indoors in trays filled with fertile, organic, rich soil, carefully nurtured to ensure healthy germination. After about 3-4 weeks, when the seedlings have reached a height of about 10-15 km and developed true leaves, they are ready to be transplanted to the fields. Preparing the soil is a crucial step in this process. Farmers use machinery to till the land, creating a fine, crumbly texture that allows roots to penetrate easily. Organic compost and fertilizers are added to enhance soil fertility. The seedlings are then planted in rows with adequate spacing of about 30-40 km between each plant to allow for ample growth. Irrigation plays a vital role at this stage, ensuring the young plants receive sufficient water to continue their growth. Caring for Chinese cabbage involves regular watering, pest control, and nutrient management. Throughout the growing season, the plants are inspected regularly. Any signs of disease or nutrient deficiency are addressed promptly. Farmers may also use protective coverings to shield the plants from extreme weather conditions, ensuring a healthy crop. Harvesting Chinese cabbage is labor-intensive and requires precision, typically occurring 70 to 90 days after planting. It's usually done early in the morning to maintain freshness. Farmers cut the cabbages at the base with sharp knives, ensuring they remain intact. In addition to manual harvesting, farmers use technology like automatic cutters and modern transport systems to enhance efficiency and reduce labor. In the field, farmers carefully remove any damaged or bad leaves from the Napa cabbage. They then pack the cleaned cabbages directly into crates to ensure freshness and quality. Today, we will embark on an exciting culinary journey through the process of making kimchi, South Korea's beloved traditional dish using Chinese cabbage. So let's explore the world of kimchi together. Begin by cutting the Chinese cabbage into quarters lengthwise. Rinse each quarter thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then, generously sprinkle coarse sea salt between the layers of leaves, making sure to cover every part. This salting process is crucial as it helps to draw out excess moisture from the cabbage, allowing it to retain a crunchy texture during fermentation. Let the salted cabbage sit for about 2 hours, turning it occasionally to ensure even salting. During this time, you'll notice the cabbage wilting and releasing water. Once adequately salted, rinse the cabbage several times under cold water to remove the excess salt. While the cabbage is draining, it's time to prepare the flavorful kimchi paste. Start by making a base with garlic and ginger. Peel and finely mince several cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Next, add a generous amount of gochugaru, adjusting the quantity to your preferred spice level. Mix in some fish sauce or salted shrimp to enhance the umami flavor. You can also add a touch of sugar to balance the heat and acidity. Now, prepare the vegetables. Julienne the carrots and radishes into thin strips. Chop the green onions into bite-sized pieces. Combine these vegetables with the chili paste, ensuring everything is evenly coated. This vibrant mixture will infuse the cabbage with rich, spicy flavors. Once the cabbage has drained and the paste is ready, it's time to combine the ingredients. Take each cabbage quarter and generously coat it with the kimchi paste, making sure to spread the mixture between each leaf. This step requires patience and care to ensure that every part of the cabbage absorbs the flavors. After all the cabbage quarters are thoroughly coated, pack them tightly into a clean, airtight container. Glass jars are traditionally used for fermenting kimchi, as they allow you to monitor the fermentation process. Fermentation is the heart of kimchi making, transforming the ingredients into a tangy, flavorful delight. Store the kimchi at room temperature for about 1-2 days to kickstart the fermentation process. You'll notice bubbles forming as the natural bacteria begin to work their magic. After this initial period, Transfer the kimchi to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation. Kimchi is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. It's a staple side dish in Korean cuisine, complementing rice, noodles, and grilled meats. You can also use kimchi in soups, stews, pancakes, and even as a topping for burgers and pizzas. Like all agricultural sectors, Chinese cabbage farming faces its share of challenges. Climate change, pests, and diseases pose significant threats. However, ongoing research and technological innovations are helping farmers overcome these obstacles. The future of Chinese cabbage farming looks promising, with continued efforts towards improving sustainability, yield, and quality. From the careful selection of seeds to the meticulous process of harvesting and exporting, Chinese cabbage farming is a testament to the dedication and expertise of Chinese farmers. This beautiful vegetable not only plays a crucial role in Chinese cuisine, but also holds significant economic importance due to its high export value. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the largest Chinese cabbage farm. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating process behind one of the world's favorite vegetables. Stay tuned for more farming insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy farming! Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of our farming documentary series. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of cantaloupe cultivation. From planting and nurturing the vines to harvesting, processing, and exporting, this comprehensive guide will take you through every step of the journey. Let's explore the amazing agriculture behind cantaloupe growing, harvesting, and packaging. Cantaloupes, also known as muskmelons, are a popular fruit worldwide due to their sweet taste and high nutritional value. The process of growing cantaloupes is a meticulous one that requires careful planning and attention to detail. It all begins with the selection of the right variety of cantaloupe seeds. There are several varieties available, each suited to different climates and soil types. Cantaloupe is usually grown from seeds, which can be sown directly into the ground or started in a greenhouse. When the seeds sprout and the plants reach about 3 inches in height, they are ready to be transplanted outdoors. Before planting, farmers prepare the soil by thoroughly tilling it to ensure it is loose and nutrient-rich. Then, a layer of plastic mulch is spread over the ground. This mulch helps protect the plants from diseases and weeds, retains moisture in the soil, and raises the plants about 3–4 inches above the ground. Next, specialized machinery is used to plant the seedlings. These machines punch holes through the mulch and place the seedlings in the correct position, ensuring they are planted evenly and at the proper spacing. As the plants begin to grow, proper watering is crucial. Cantaloupes require a consistent supply of water to ensure healthy growth. When the plants start to flower, bees take on the role of pollination. This process is essential as it determines the quality and quantity of the fruit. After pollination, the flowers develop into cantaloupes. Farmers continue to care for the plants to ensure the fruits develop optimally. During this process, bees often facilitate pollination, enhancing both the quality and quantity of the fruit. As the cantaloupes mature, they begin to develop their characteristic netted skin and sweet aroma. The fruits are typically ready for harvest about 75 to 90 days after planting. The timing of the harvest is crucial to ensure the best flavor and quality. Cantaloupes are usually harvested when they reach full slip, which means the fruit easily detaches from the vine with a gentle tug. This indicates that the fruit is fully ripe and ready to be picked. Harvesting cantaloupes is a labor-intensive process that requires careful handling to avoid bruising the delicate fruits. Workers typically use sharp knives to cut the fruits from the vines, taking care to leave a short stem attached. The harvested cantaloupes are then placed in bins and transported to the packing facility. At the packing facility, the cantaloupes undergo a series of processes to prepare them for market. The fruits are first washed to remove any dirt and debris. They are then graded based on size, shape, and quality. Only the best fruits make it to the market, while those that are damaged or misshapen are set aside for other uses, such as juice production. Once graded, the cantaloupes are packed into crates or boxes, ready for shipment. Proper packaging is essential to protect the fruits during transit and ensure they arrive at their destination in the best possible condition. The packed cantaloupes are then stored in cold storage to maintain their freshness until they are ready to be shipped. Japan is another significant player in the cantaloupe market. In 2023, Japan's cantaloupe production reached approximately 130,000 metric tons. The country's high-quality cantaloupes are prized for their taste and appearance. Japan exported around 20,000 metric tons of cantaloupes in 2023, with major export destinations including Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Singapore. The export value of Japanese cantaloupes was estimated at $50 million, showcasing the fruit's premium status in the international market. Beyond the economic and nutritional benefits, cantaloupe farming also has a social dimension. Many cantaloupe farms are family-owned businesses that have been passed down through generations. These farms play a vital role in their communities, providing employment and contributing to the local economy. They also preserve traditional farming practices while embracing modern techniques to improve efficiency and sustainability. After the cantaloupes are harvested and packed, they embark on a journey to reach consumers around the world. The logistics involved in exporting cantaloupes are complex and require careful coordination. The fruits are transported in refrigerated containers to maintain their freshness during transit. Shipping routes are meticulously planned to ensure timely delivery, and tracking systems are used to monitor the location and condition of the shipments. In conclusion, the cultivation of cantaloupes is a complex and rewarding process that requires dedication and expertise. From selecting the right seeds and preparing the soil to nurturing the vines and harvesting the fruits, every step is crucial to producing high-quality cantaloupes. The journey doesn't end at the farm. Careful handling, processing, and export are essential to bring these delicious fruits to consumers around the world. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the amazing agriculture behind cantaloupe growing, harvesting, and packaging. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of farming in our upcoming episodes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on durian cultivation and processing in Asia. In this episode, we will delve into the intricate processes involved in growing, caring for, harvesting, and processing durians, focusing on the advanced techniques used in Asian durian farms. We will also discuss the production and export statistics of durians in Southeast Asia for the year 2023. Durian, often referred to as the king of fruits, is renowned for its distinctive smell and taste. Despite its polarizing aroma, it is a highly sought-after fruit in many Asian countries. Durian trees thrive in tropical climates, making Southeast Asia the perfect region for their cultivation. Countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam are some of the largest producers of this exotic fruit. The first step in durian cultivation is selecting an appropriate site. Durian trees require well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter. The ideal soil pH ranges from 5.5 to 6.5. Farmers often conduct soil tests to determine the suitability of the land and make necessary amendments. Durian trees are usually propagated through grafting or budding to ensure the quality and consistency of the fruit. Young durian plants are transplanted into the field during the rainy season to minimize water stress. Proper spacing is crucial, with a common practice being 8 to 10 meters between trees to allow adequate sunlight and air circulation. Durian trees require a consistent water supply, especially during the dry season. Drip irrigation systems are commonly used to provide a steady flow of water directly to the root zone, ensuring efficient water use and reducing the risk of fungal diseases. The irrigation system is designed to deliver water uniformly across the field, which is vital for maintaining soil moisture at optimal levels. Farmers carefully monitor the irrigation schedule to prevent both waterlogging and drought stress, which can adversely affect tree health and fruit quality. Modern irrigation systems are often automated, allowing precise control over the timing and quantity of water delivered, which helps conserve water and reduce labor costs. Fertilization is essential for the healthy growth of durian trees, with farmers using a combination of organic and inorganic fertilizers to supply the necessary nutrients. Organic fertilizers, such as compost and manure, improve soil structure and fertility, while inorganic fertilizers provide a quick release of nutrients to address specific deficiencies identified through soil and leaf analyses. Durian trees are susceptible to various pests and diseases, including root rot, stem canker, and fruit borer. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies are employed to minimize damage, involving the use of biological control agents, resistant varieties, and judicious application of pesticides. Biological control agents, such as beneficial insects and microbial antagonists, are introduced to keep pest populations in check. Pruning is a critical maintenance practice in durian cultivation, involving the removal of dead or diseased branches and thinning the canopy to improve air circulation and light penetration, reducing fungal infections and promoting healthy growth. Typically done during the dry season when the risk of disease transmission is lower, farmers use specialized tools and techniques to make clean cuts, aiding faster healing and reducing infection risk. Regular pruning also helps maintain the tree's shape and size, making it easier to manage and harvest. In some regions, flower induction is practiced to synchronize flowering and fruiting. This involves manipulating environmental conditions, such as water stress or application of certain chemicals, to stimulate flower production. Flower induction techniques are carefully timed to coincide with favorable weather conditions, ensuring optimal pollination and fruit set. This practice helps increase yield and allows farmers to plan harvest more efficiently, ensuring a steady supply of fruit to the market. Durian trees typically start bearing fruit after 4 to 6 years of planting. The fruit is usually harvested when it is fully mature and begins to emit its characteristic smell. Harvesting is a delicate process that requires skilled labor to avoid damaging the fruit. Farmers use long poles with nets or cushioned baskets to gently pluck the durians from the tree. In some cases, harvesting is done manually by climbing the trees and carefully cutting the fruit stalks. Proper handling during harvest is crucial to prevent bruising and maintain fruit quality. After harvesting, durians are transported to processing facilities where they undergo cleaning and sorting. The fruits are washed to remove dirt and debris. They are then sorted based on size, shape, and ripeness. Only the highest quality fruits are selected for export. The durian pulp is extracted from the shell using specialized equipment. This process involves carefully removing the flesh without damaging the seeds. The pulp is then separated into different grades based on its texture and flavor. High-grade pulp is typically used for fresh consumption or premium products, while lower grades may be processed into various value-added products. Durian pulp is packaged in various forms, including fresh, frozen, and vacuum-sealed packs. Fresh pulp is usually packed in airtight containers to preserve its flavor and aroma. In 2023, Southeast Asia continued to dominate the global durian market, with Thailand, Malaysia, and Vietnam significantly contributing to the production of approximately 2 million metric tons. Thailand remained the largest producer, accounting for nearly 60% of the total output, followed by Malaysia and Vietnam. A substantial portion of this production was exported to various international markets. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided valuable insights into the fascinating world of durian farming and processing. Stay tuned for more episodes on agricultural innovations and practices from around the globe. Thank you for watching. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, has become a staple agricultural product across Southeast Asia, particularly in countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines. This vibrant, nutritious fruit is cherished not only for its unique appearance and flavor, but also for its health benefits. In this comprehensive overview, we will explore the entire process of dragon fruit farming, from cultivation to harvest and factory processing, and examine the production and export statistics for Southeast Asia in 2023. Dragon fruit farming begins with the careful selection of suitable land. This fruit thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, making Southeast Asia an ideal region for its cultivation. The first step in dragon fruit farming is soil preparation. Dragon fruit plants, which belong to the cactus family, require well-drained soil with a pH level between 6 and 7. Once the soil is ready, farmers proceed to planting. Dragon fruit is typically propagated using stem cuttings from mature plants. These cuttings are planted directly into the soil or in pots until they develop a robust root system. The planting process is meticulous, ensuring that each cutting is spaced adequately to allow for proper growth and airflow. In commercial farms, the plants are often grown on trellises or supports to encourage vertical growth and ease the harvesting process. Dragon fruit plants require regular watering, particularly during the dry season. However, they are drought tolerant and can survive with minimal water once established. Irrigation systems are often employed to maintain consistent moisture levels in the soil. Pruning is another essential aspect of dragon fruit farming. Regular pruning helps maintain the plant's shape, removes dead or diseased branches, and promotes better fruit production. Farmers typically prune the plants during the growing season, ensuring that the remaining branches receive ample sunlight and nutrients. Dragon fruit plants start bearing fruit within 6 to 8 months of planting. The fruiting process is influenced by several factors, including climate, soil conditions, and plant care. The flowering phase is particularly critical, as dragon fruit flowers bloom at night and are pollinated by nocturnal creatures such as bats and moths. In some farms, hand pollination is practiced to ensure higher fruit set rates. Harvesting dragon fruit is a labor-intensive process that requires precision and care. The fruit is ready for harvest when its skin turns vibrant red or yellow, depending on the variety. Farmers carefully inspect each fruit to determine its ripeness, as overripe or underripe fruits do not meet market standards. Harvesting is typically done by hand, using sharp tools to cut the fruit from the plant without causing damage. Once harvested, dragon fruits are transported to processing facilities for sorting and grading. In the factory, the fruits undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove dirt and residues. They are then sorted based on size, color, and quality. The highest quality fruits are selected for export, while others are used for local markets or processed into various products such as juices, jams, and dried fruit. The processing stage in the factory involves several steps to ensure the fruit's quality and safety. After sorting, the dragon fruits are washed and sanitized to eliminate any potential contaminants. They are then packaged in protective materials to prevent damage during transportation. For export purposes, the fruits are often treated with natural preservatives to extend their shelf life. In 2023, Southeast Asia saw a significant increase in dragon fruit production and export. Vietnam, the leading producer in the region, reported total production of over 1.5 million tons of dragon fruit. This increase in production can be attributed to improved farming techniques, expansion of cultivation areas, and favorable weather conditions. Thailand and the Philippines also reported substantial increases in their dragon fruit output, contributing to the region's overall growth. The export market for dragon fruit has expanded considerably, with Southeast Asia becoming a major supplier to international markets such as the United States, Europe, and China. In 2023, the region's dragon fruit exports reached a record high of 1 million tons, generating significant revenue for local farmers and economies. Vietnam alone accounted for more than 70% of these exports, with its dragon fruit being highly sought after for its quality and taste. In conclusion, dragon fruit farming in Southeast Asia is a thriving industry that has seen remarkable growth in recent years. From careful soil preparation and planting to meticulous care and harvesting, every step in the process is crucial to producing high-quality dragon fruits. The success of this industry is reflected in the impressive production and export figures for 2023, highlighting the region's significance in the global dragon fruit market. As consumer demand continues to rise, Southeast Asia is well positioned to to maintain its leadership in dragon fruit production and export, providing delicious and nutritious fruit to markets around the world. We sincerely thank you for following the journey of the dragon fruit from the initial steps of soil preparation and planting to the harvest of fresh, delicious dragon fruits. Your interest and support are great motivations for us to continue developing and improving cultivation techniques. We hope that through this process you've gained valuable insights and a deeper understanding of the relentless efforts Southeast Asian farmers in delivering high-quality products to the market. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in future projects. Hello everyone, welcome to our video, Billions of Berries Picked by Skilled Farm Workers. Today we are at a beautiful strawberry farm in the U.S. state of California. In this video, we'll take you through the fascinating process of how these farms cultivate and harvest billions of strawberries each year. We are currently in the seedling preparation area of the farm. Here, the best strawberry roots are selected by experienced farmers to be planted in the official fields. This selection process is very important because it ensures that only the healthiest plants with the best growth and development potential are chosen for planting. Thanks to this process, we can ensure that each strawberry plant will have the potential to grow vigorously and yield high productivity. While this is happening, other workers are busy preparing the soil and raising the beds to ensure they are ready to welcome the thousands of strawberry plants that will soon arrive. The dedication and skill of these farm workers are what make California's strawberry farms some of the most productive in the world. Stay tuned to see how these delicious berries make their journey from the farm to your table. As of 2021, California boasts an impressive 37,000 acres dedicated to strawberry cultivation, with 2/3 of this area concentrated in the Santa Maria region. Inside the meticulous preparation zones, thousands of strawberry plants are primed and ready for planting. Mid-August marks the peak planting season across many Californian farms. Remarkably, California produces over 10 different varieties of strawberries, each with unique planting and harvesting schedules. Regardless of the time of year, whenever you visit California, you can experience the state's rich and diverse strawberry industry in action. In addition to traditional root planting methods, people in California also utilize machines to plant strawberries. After selecting the seedlings, the planting process begins. Modern technology has transformed traditional planting methods, making them more efficient and precise. Automatic planting machines are used to drill holes at optimal depths and distances. Farmers then place the seedlings into the pre-made holes, ensuring uniform growth and maximizing land use. With the integration of these machines, farmers can plant thousands of seedlings per hour, significantly reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. In California, strawberries are a year-round delight, thanks to the tireless efforts of skilled farm workers. After planting, these dedicated workers install advanced watering systems to ensure each strawberry plant gets the hydration it needs. On average, each plant requires about 2 inches of water daily, especially during the critical fruiting season. California's diverse climate allows for multiple strawberry varieties to thrive, with most taking approximately 60 to 90 days to bloom. When the flowers bloom, millions of honeybees will be transported here to perform their crucial role in pollinating the fruit trees. These industrious bees are the unsung heroes, providing essential pollination services that support the farm's productivity. As the strawberries ripen, a new harvest season is on the horizon. Annually, around 55,000 workers, predominantly from Mexico, converge on California's strawberry farms. Their wages are determined by the number of boxes of strawberries they pick, with the average worker earning approximately $15 per hour according to recent statistics. They are equipped with baskets and the necessary tools to carefully pick the ripe strawberries, ensuring that the fruits are not bruised. The strawberries are placed in containers to be transported to packing facilities, where they are sorted, packed, and shipped to markets nationwide. There, the strawberries are sorted, cleaned, and packaged before being shipped to stores and supermarkets across the United States. This process requires meticulous attention to detail and precision, as strawberries are delicate and easily perishable. Therefore, quick harvesting and transportation are crucial to ensure the quality of the strawberries when they reach consumers. Released in 2021, California's strawberry production reached an impressive 1.1 million tons, accounting for 91% of the nation's total strawberry output. This robust industry generates an annual revenue of $2.1 billion. Remarkably, even during rainy conditions, the strawberry harvest continues uninterrupted at these farms. These activities mark the final stages of the strawberry growing season. As of 2023, California's strawberry production saw a slight increase to 1.15 million tons, maintaining its dominance in the U.S. market with 92% of the total production. The industry's revenue also grew, reaching $2.3 billion per year. Early 2024 forecasts predict continued growth, with advancements in farming techniques and resilient crop varieties ensuring steady harvests regardless of weather challenges. The fields will be cleared soon, and in about 2 weeks, a fresh crop will begin to flourish. How do you feel about the cultivation and harvesting process of strawberries showcased in this video? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into strawberry farming. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the fascinating world of agriculture. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. Thank you for joining us, and see you on our next exciting journey